Why does your hair look good on day one, but then you go home after you got your hair cut and it just does not look the same? Well, I'm gonna explain to you why that could possibly be happening. So let's just say, you get your hair cut, right? You got a lot of fullness, a lot of texture. You're like, oh, I love how amazing this looks. And you go home the next day and your hair looks like this. Well, let's simplify this and break it down. Chances are, well, you probably slept on the pillow and you got bedhead, or think of it like hat head. It just completely flattened everything out. What you could do is you can kind of try to revive it. You can use a product. I have numerous products I can do this, like my sea salt hair powder beach house or my locked hairspray. You spray it in and you just use it to revive everything. It soaks up oils, kind of like a dry shampoo, and you just bring it back to life. So it also depends on what was used. So if the hair professional used a product on you that actually made your hair look good only for that very moment, and it actually wasn't the right product for your hair, something that may be too oily or too heavy, it just may be flattening your hair and weighing it down because it's not the right product. They gave you the wrong product recommendation. Next, it could actually be the haircut itself. So let's simplify this as much as possible. The haircut is designed to create the shape, which is designed to support the style. Then the products are what will enhance that hairstyle. Meaning, like, a haircut can give slight thickness to the hair. However, if you want to really get a lot more volume out of it, you need the right products. The haircut is like the baseline for what you need for your hair to look good. So if you're going home and you're like, oh, my hair looks great, chances are that hair professional did certain styling techniques and used specific products to make your hair look a certain way. However, it just fell flat the next day because, I don't know, they did all their magic as a hair professional. So when it comes to the haircut itself, and I talk about this a lot, is the haircut shape has to be the right shape for you. And what is a haircut shape? Well, I have downloadable PDF ebooks that I've created for men's hair and for women's hair to help you understand what haircut shapes are. It goes way beyond, oh, what's my face shape and a haircut for that. This is designed to help you understand haircut shapes and then what haircut shape is best for your face shape. And they're like $8 each, I think. It's so ridiculous. And they're right here. You can click view products. And it's gonna help you understand the haircut shape is what's going to give you that support. And a haircut shape, it's really pretty simple. You've got square, rounded, or triangular. So a lot of times people, especially on men's hair and sometimes women's hair, but mostly on men's hair, the hair professional or barber will cut everything very square because they think everything should be very flat in through here, and leaving that corner, which is this, you can see that the corner is cut because I cut this out from the head. You see how it flows into itself. I can go like this and the hair just sticks straight up. If I were to leave this very square, which is this, look what happens. It's very, very flat. So your hair professional is giving you a specific haircut shape that is not right for you. Or it's just not gonna grow out that well. Or it's just not gonna perform that well. It really is pretty simple. So the haircut might look good because they knew how to style it. However, you go home and between maybe the wrong products, bedhead, and just not the right haircut shape to support the style you want, that is it. And that purely comes down to technical. How good is that hair professional? And I hate to say, it's harder than ever sometimes to find a talented person. And if you have been watching me for a while and you've left comments, I see the comments and I know you, Steven, or you say, Salon Guy, like, I can't find anyone who cuts hair like this and blah, blah, and help me. I'm like, I wish I could help you. I don't even know how, but if you do feel lost and you aren't sure what is going on with your hair, I offer a VIP consultation. It's through Zoom, and I analyze your hair. You send me a couple of photos, and I recreate haircuts for you specifically. I go over and I analyze and basically troubleshoot your haircut to help you understand what's going on, what should you be saying to your hair professional, why your haircut is not laying properly. I can literally do this in real time because I've been doing it for so long and I'm an expert in this. It's a VIP premium service. Again, you can click it right here, and I invite you to check out any of my hair products. Again, specifically Beach House, which is my sea salt hair powder. It's been improved. It's much better, probably the best hair powder I've ever used. I wished that was the first formula or first version of this. And then my locked hairspray, which is more of a matte finish hairspray. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you found this video helpful. I'll see you soon.